Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove brake dust off of your wheels using Nanoskin Iron Free. First thing we're going to do is spray down the wheel with Iron Free. Next, we're going to be using a detail brush to help loosen up the brake dust. In this clip, you can notice that the Iron Free is turning purple, and that indicates that the brake dust is being broken down. Now we'll just let it sit for a few minutes. Finally, all you gotta do is rinse off the Iron Free, and you're left with a clean wheel. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to purchase this product, we do have it for sale at our shop.